What's up, guys? Today we're making a video on thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Today we're going to be talking about and shooting all these guns. It's M4, P90, Mossberg shotgun. We're going to be shooting 2 AAP01s full auto. That's going to be fun. We're going to be shooting this CZ-P09 and this MAC-10 with this mag. And I think we're going to be shooting like 30 rounds each. So I think with the rifles we're going to be shooting 50 rounds in them, the shotgun 12 I think. And we're going to be shooting there. So let's get to shooting. So first of all we're going to be shooting this. Can't show inserting mags, but yeah. Full auto. That was fun. Oh, I should have folded the stock, but whatever. Okay. This one. Didn't get rid of all these. Okay, so this one, auto. Last but not least, M4. Let's get shooting. This one, turn the red dot. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And when we get to 1,000, I'll show you my secret closet arsenal. It's huge and pretty cool. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe. Have a good one.